guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video and another beautiful rainy day. We have just had so many rainy days this last week month. It sucks. It's been so hard to get out and film for you guys, but today we're down here in the Rakaia River. We've got my truck there, Brad's, and then Matt's surf somewhere over there. I think you've seen the surf on the channel once before. You all know Matt. He's usually the one behind the camera, but this time he decided to bring his surf along. And we're in the Rakaia River. We thought we'd come have a nosy after all the floods. And as you can see, there's just like, the track has changed so much. So we stopped, decided we'd have a look, and well, this is what we saw. Did not expect to be finding a truck here. So as you can see, the river's just changed so much. It's insane, but someone has certainly had a bad time. Wonder how long this has been here.
I'd say Saturday night, and then you come back Sunday morning.
Oh, nice anchor. Alright.
Oh, no wonder he's gone down. Even I've gone down. Oh.
So he's cooked his winch. It only winches out, it doesn't winch in. Could explain why he stopped. We might see if we can get this out for him. He's left the keys in, so we've got a, we can have steering. If we can get over the other side somehow, he might stand half a chance of winching him out. I've got to try figure out how to get over behind him without getting ourselves stuck. It's like real muddy edge here, but you can see there's actually some like stones in here. But it's just like, who knows what's out in there, so I don't know. We'll
get off and you get.
We'll make it. No, you can. We'll decide what we do.
So, in a terribly unfortunate turn of events, those two have found themselves on the other side of the river, having to do work to get this truck the final bit of the way out. And really unfortunately, obviously Brad and I are still on this side of the river, so we're going to have to supervise. You know, we don't want to, but it's a tough role, but someone does have to do it. So we will accept it and offer encouragement from the far bank. So, being the genius that he is, Tim's gone and spooled his winch rope out too far and has spooled it completely off the drum. So, you know, we do take some responsibility for that, being supervisors. You know, we should have predicted this would happen, that he shouldn't be allowed to operate without supervision because, you know, questionable intelligence. I know you're going to edit this, Tim. Shout out to you. But yeah, unfortunately we will accept the blame for that, and you know, we'll move on. We're not looking happy.
Alright guys, well, what a mission, but we finally got it out. Yeah. Silly me went and we went for a double purchase winch, and I pulled the rope off the drum, and my winch is a pig to try and get to the drum of, so yeah, Had to go for the snatch, got the snatch in the end. Far out, that thing has been in some water for a wee while now. Good work, Jacob. Mate. Oh yeah, that's going to be fun. That'll be time to change all the oils. Anyway, I'm not sure what we're going to do from here. Maybe we try, I don't know if we want to try get back across, or bring everyone else across, or whether I just want to head back over, because it's actually quite deep in there, so I don't know. We'll have a think about it and then do it.
It appears the V8 Disco has behaved like a V8 Disco and got unhappy in water.
That was quite the river crossing. Oh, wow. That was full send. That was full send. Sweet. Right. Probably a good thing we didn't take the other trucks through there. Alright, well, I'm going to say that's a good wee deed done for the day. Now we'll go and do some actual full driving of our own. Alright, that was a gnarly crossing anyway. Let's cruise on out of here. Well guys, we're about to trundle off, and looks like the owners have come looking. They've got a bit of a group here. Oh, yes! Oh. One way to do it.
So now that Brad has successfully winched himself across, we do once again face a dilemma in that only I am still over this side of the river, and the incredibly astute among you will notice that we still have 2 trucks on this side of the water. Therefore meaning...
Oh, it drops off! Oh, it's so cold!
I'll find a way I get deep in the middle.
It's quite cold. Oh, that's quite cold. It's so cold. I can't even explain how cold that is.
Oh yeah, go.
Alright, ready, Jacob?
Nice.
Oh, we've done that before. Oh, no. No. Should have listened to Matt. He even said put the window up. Far out, guys, that was quite entertaining. A lot deeper than we anticipated, that's for sure. It certainly gave me a surprise when Brad's nose just disappeared down. Anyway, we're going to continue on this track, see where it goes. Fortunately, you don't actually have to cross over there. We can just go back down that track there, so we won't be doing that crossing again because that's gnarly, especially with trucks on 31s and open diffs. Anyway, onwards. Alright guys, well that's going to do it for the Rakaia section. We're going to wrap up now, it's about 1 o'clock. Only wanted to really be out for the morning, so we're going to cruise back, maybe stop at the Selwyn. You'll find out if we do. But anyway, we're going to cruise on out of here and yeah, go to Macca's and get some lunch. Alrighty guys, well can't be bothered going to the Selwyn. I'm wet, freezing cold, and want some food. That was rude. Just chucked mud at my fresh shoes. Oh, disgraceful. Anyway, that's it for another video. Hope you enjoyed it. Definitely a lot more full on than I thought. We didn't even bother airing down because we thought we were just going for a quick play, and as usual, things got a bit rowdy. Anyway, Make sure you hit subscribe to stay tuned for heaps more of these videos, and give us a like and let us know what you thought of it in the comments down below. Catch you all in the next one. Cheers for watching, and we'll see you then.